Hey friends, welcome back to your channel, soupart. This is Shobtik. So as I was discussing during Inktober that I would be gifting something to myself if I am able to complete Inktober. So there are 31 plus 1, that is 32 sketches for Inktober present in my playlist. So I had to pamper myself with the incentive that I promised. That was this, the Pentel Brush Pen. I had a wish to buy it for long. I bought this one. This was the packaging. I'm sorry that I did not do an unboxing in the video because I was too excited. But this is what the pen looks like. So for testing the pen, I had to do some kind of an anime because I was thrilled by watching Kim Jong-il to sketch with this brush pen, and I would say that he was the primary source of excitement for this kind of drawing, this kind of material for drawing, I would say. So that's why, because he is mostly an anime kind of an artist, even though he does a lot of realism also with brush pen. He does everything, like he can draw buildings, he can draw human beings, he can draw creatures, anything that you just ask with these pens, and that is thrilling. As I said, I will keep repeating myself because there are I don't know, many more adjectives to describe the talent, the ways Kim Jong-il functions. I'm not sure how his head works, but you know what, he did inspire me to draw like him a bit. So maybe not that ways, but I had to test it with an anime drawing. I would be using this for different purposes, like t-shirt designs, the primary works which I do by hand, and then only in the digital, multiple object drawings and things and stuff. So what this pen looks like from the outside is this, and the red colored thing that you can see, the ring here, it is what stops the ink to flow in. So if you put it up on there, then the ink does not flow, otherwise it will come out. So what I did was I pushed a bit of ink, removing this ring, and then put that back because you know, you would not like to waste it. So this is how I tried, and I would say that even for me, this is phenomenal. You know, I have not had too many good brush pens, though I have had few, but they were not professional enough. But this one is supreme. This is awesome. Like the way it functions, and it helps your hand, and the hand-eye coordination that is required, it increases. So I would say, if you are thinking of buying this kind of a material, in fact especially this Pentel brush pen, then you should go for it. The extra fine one is the one that I'm using here, and that's what I wanted to, because I wanted to the outline works mostly, along with bits and pieces here and there. So this is perfect for that one. So if you're thinking of buying it, I would say you can just go blindly and buy it, because this has been really good. The experience has been awesome. Maybe the drawing here is not that good for you to like make you understand what exactly this pen can do, but this has got multiple abilities, because what I would have checked here is that not only it does the outlines like so precisely, but if you want to draw, imagine from a thinner line to a thicker one, it would go seamlessly. Like, it is brilliant. Like, as I said while describing Kim Jong-il, the same for the material he chose, like this one. So I do not have adjectives to describe it. It is awesome. Again, I would say that even I have used fine liners in multiple videos of mine. If you have not checked it, you can go in my playlists, and there you can see that I have used fine liners. but this one had a special appeal. Here you do not need multiple fine liners. You can use it as a fine liner, as a fine liner with a thicker bezel and everything. So this is 101 kind of a material, and this is a must-have for all the artists that I would say are trying to go from beginner to the professional level. And even if you are a beginner and you're thinking, or you already have this, I would say you should be proud of it, and you can keep practicing. And trust me, with practice you can go beyond limits, and this one is perfect for that. And this gives the anime a great look. So I have particularly liked a lot in this pen. I would love to know your views. If you have one or you are thinking of buying one, what do you think, that this pen will be helpful for you or not? And even if it is, then how you use it. So please comment down below. I would love to know that. And for the next video, see you soon again. Bye bye.